Magandang umaga! Ngayong araw, magsosolve tayo ng mga problems involving fractions, decimals, and percent. Example number 1. A mall offers 50% off the original price in their bags. What fraction is taken off the price? Sa ating given problem, makikita na mayroon tayong percent at ang hinahanap naman ay fraction. Therefore, magko-convert tayo ng percent to fraction. Ang given natin ay 50% para sa ating solution. I-divide lamang ang 50% sa 100% at makakakuha tayo ng 5/10 na fraction. Kailangan natin itong i-simplify o i-lowest term. So, hanapin lamang ang GCF. Sa ating given, ang GCF nila ay 5. Kapag mayroon ng GCF, ay i-divide lamang sa numerator at sa denominator. Therefore, 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Ang final answer ay 1/2, the fraction taken off the price. Example number 2. A mall sells their bags at a price that is half of the original price. What percent is taken off the price? Sa ating given problem, mayroon tayong 1/2 kung saan pwede itong isulat na 1/2. Yan. At percent na siyang hinahanap. Ito ay halos kapareha lamang ng naunang problem. Pinagkaiba nga lang 50% or nasa percent form yung ating given at fraction naman yung hinahanap. So, ang ating given ngayon ay fraction, 1/2. Para sa ating solution, step 1, change the fraction into decimal. So, i-divide lamang natin yung 1 by 2, which is 0.50. Multiply the result by 100. So, 0.50 times 100 is equal to 50. Pwedeng gumamit ng pag-move ng decimal 2 places to the right since ito ay pa-multiply. 1, 2. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 50. Then, affix the percent symbol. So, mayroon tayong 50%. Example number 3, Alan's test consists of 3 parts. He answered half of the items in part 1, 1/5 of the items in part 2, and 1/10 of the items in part 3. The whole exam consists of 100 items. Letter A, what fraction of the exam did Alan respond to? Letter B, how many items did he respond to? Letter C, what fraction of the entire exam did he miss? And letter D, how many items did he miss? For letter A, what fraction of the exam did Alan answer to? Sa ating given, mayroon tayo ditong half of the items in part 1. So that is 1/2. Mayroon tayong 1/5 sa part 2 at 1/10 sa part 3. Therefore, ang given natin ay 1/2, 1/5, and 1/10. For our solution, let x be the fraction of the whole exam that Alan answered. So, para makuha natin yun, add lamang natin itong ating mga fractions. At dahil sila ay dissimilar fractions, kunin natin ang LCD, which is 10, least common denominator, para maging similar fractions sila. So, magiging 10 na yung denominator nila. Divide lang natin. 10 divided by 2 equals 5 times 1 yung numerator. So, meron na tayong 5. And that is 5/10 yung ating first fraction. Next ay 10 divided by 5 equals 2 times the numerator 1 equals 2. And 10 divided by 10 equals 1 times 1, the numerator, equals 1. So, pwede na nating i-add since similar na sila. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8. Therefore, meron tayong 8 over 10. Kailangan i-simplify. So, mayroon na tayong 4 over 5. Gamit ang kaparehang problem, itry naman natin na palitan ang fraction ng percent. So, ang ating magiging solution, change the fraction into decimal. So, paano natin i-obtain yung fraction? Same procedure lang kanina na i-add ang ating mga given fractions. So, since may answer na tayo na 4 over 5, i-change na natin into decimal. So, 4 lang, i-divide lang natin ng 4 by 5, and that is 0.80. Then, multiply the result by 100. So, 0.80 times 100 is 80. And step 3, affix the percent symbol. Therefore, mayroon tayong sagot na 80%, meaning 80% ang nasagutan ni Alan sa kanyang buong exam. Letter B, how many items did he respond to? For our solution, let N be the number of items answered, T the total number of items in the exam, and X the fraction of the whole exam that Alan answered. So, ang hinahanap natin, how many items did he respond to? Ang ating N ay unknown. Total number of items in the exam. Mayroon tayo dito, sabi the whole exam consists of 100 items. So, this is 100. And the fraction of the whole exam that Alan answered, kanina nasagot na natin siya sa letter A, which is 4 over 5. So, for our solution, we have N is equal to T, X, or T times X. So, substitute lamang natin yung T, which is 100, and yung X natin na 4 over 5. So, we have N is equal to 100 times 4 over 5. Therefore, we have the answer of 80. So, 80 items yung nasagot ni Alan out of 100 items. Letter C, what fraction of the entire exam did he miss? For our solution, let Y be the fraction of the whole exam na na-miss ni Alan. Yung X naman natin ay fraction ng whole exam na nasagutan niya. So, ang ating magiging formula, Y is equal to 1 minus X. So, yung 1 natin represent the whole exam. Minus X, fraction of the whole exam that Alan answered, which is 4 over 5. So, ima-minus lamang natin. Y is equal to 1 minus 4 over 5. So, i-change natin tong 1 into fraction. Magkakaroon tayo ng Y is equal to 5 over 5 minus 4 over 5. And our final answer will be Y is equal to 1/5. So, paano naman kung yung fraction natin ay papalitan ng percent? So, let Y be the part of the whole exam that Alan missed to answer in percent. And X, part of the whole exam na nasagot ni Alan in percent din. So, kanina, nakuha na natin tong ating X, yung sagot natin sa letter A na 4 over 5, na pinalitan natin ng percent, kung saan ang nakuha natin ay 80%. So, mayroon tayong formula na Y is equal to 100% minus X. Substitute lamang natin yung value ng X na 80%. So, magkakaroon tayo ng Y is equal to 100% minus 80%. At ang ating magiging sagot ay 20%. So, 20% ang na-miss ni Alan sa exam. Letter D, how many items did he miss? Sa ating solution, let M be the number of missed items, and T the total number of items in the exam, Y as a fraction of the whole exam that Alan missed to answer. Ang formula natin ay M is equal to T, Y or M is equal to T times Y. Yung M natin is unknown, ang siyang ating hinahanap. Total number of items in the exam, mayroon tayong 100. Fraction of the whole exam na na-miss ni Alan, mayroon tayong 1/5 or 20%. Substitute lamang natin ang ating given. So, magkakaroon tayo ng M is equal to 100 times 1/5. At ang makukuha natin ay M is equal to 20. So, ang hindi nasagot ni Alan sa exam niya ay 20 items. So, mayroon pa tayong maaaring gawin na solution sa ating letter D. Solution natin, M is equal to number of missed items. T, the total number of items in the exam. So, meron tayong 100. And N, number of items answered. Nasagot na natin sa letter B, which is 80. So, ang formula natin, M is equal to T minus N. Magma-minus lamang tayo. So, substitute natin ang given. M is equal to 100 minus 80, which is equal to 20. So, same lamang yung nakuha nating answer kanina. And thank you for watching.